What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dream Media Home Theater, and I am looking at a brand new product here called Sero, or Sero.
Sero.
This is Jason with Samsung, and he's gonna tell us about it. This thing absolutely is blowing my mind right now. Tell us what it is.
Think about how media is consumed today. A lot of people are doing it through their mobile devices. And when you have stuff on your mobile device, could be an app, could be a video, could be something you're pulling from your favorite content partner, or it could be images that you have stored on your phone. Perhaps you took a picture that's better displayed in portrait, in landscape, and you're looking at it on your phone and you notice all these black bars. You want to see it on a bigger screen. We have the same image mirrored onto my TV, but I can't see the full screen of my image. Well, with Sero, this is made for the mobile user in mind so that I have a better viewing experience, whether it's my own content or media. And when I'm using a Galaxy device like this one right here, and I have an image on my phone, and my phone is connected to my Sero, all I have to do is physically rotate my phone and Sero will follow along and reorientate what's being displayed, whether it's a still image or a video, and fill the screen appropriately. So now I'm in portrait mode and I can see what a portrait should look like. And this is a video that I've recorded and it's playing in portrait, and that doesn't look quite right. All I have to do with my Galaxy mobile device is spin it back to a landscape mode and Sero will follow along.
I swear, this is definitely the way of the future. Everybody's gonna have this in their living room, their kitchen. Everybody's tied to their phone nowadays. You guys need it. You gotta have it. If you'd like to purchase, make sure you give us a call, shoot us an email. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater.
CES 2020,
Yep.
Samsung.
This is Jason. All right, guys, we thank you for watching. Take it easy.
Right on.